Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you the House of the Dragon intro tutorial. Make sure to watch the video until the end, to learn more about this. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag your footage to the timeline. Then above, add the logo. Go to Effects and search for Remove Black Background. After that, adjust it in the middle. Then go to Titles and add the basic 6 to the timeline. Add the Game of Thrones font. Go to Advanced and change the text fill to Image Fill. Insert this image from Envato. Then select Text Border, and adjust it to black color, thickness 1 and blur 10. Then select Text Shadow, and adjust it to dark gray color, distance 3 and blur 10. Then write down House of the Dragon in 3 texts. Adjust the like this in the middle. Click on the footage below, go to Color, 3D LUT and choose Game of Thrones effect. Then back to the titles. Click on them and add the typewriter animation. Adjust the animations like this. Then go to Transition and add the turn transition. Add it at the beginning of each text and make the duration smaller, until it fits smoothly. Then go to Effects and add the mild effect to the logo. After that, export it. Delete all and drag the exported file to the timeline. Right-click on it, go to Video, Crop and Zoom and choose Pan and Zoom. Select the inner part and make it bigger. Also, make sure it is in the middle. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.